Hey you guys, this is Jennifer and I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to change your settings on Astrid for tasks. First thing you're going to do, top right corner, once you're logged in, you're going to click where your email is. You're going to go to settings. As soon as you get to settings, there's a link that's titled preferences. And as soon as you get to preferences, it will ask you, how do you want to be notified? How do you want to interact? So it says email digest. Email a weekly outlook, daily task reminders, include overdue tasks in daily reminders. You can get notifications for tasks shared when they're complete for your tasks and lists, for comments when somebody sends you a request, when somebody assigns a task to you. There's also some other web interfaces as well. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple to change your settings. You can do that at the mobile app level. You can also do that at the web or SaaS level as well. So if you want to switch how you're being notified, then just simply log into here and create the preferences and settings that you'd like to. As far as email communications within Astrid, this is not a full-blown email system. This is simply used to manage tasks. I'm going to go ahead and go under the Gwen project environment. And within the system, there are two different things. There have been tasks that have been assigned, meaning that, so for example, we'll take this one. Actually, let's back up. Here is item number 1.2, cross-browser compatibility issue. This has been assigned to Conrado. The due date is November 6th. The urgency level now, because of a timing standpoint, is actually going to get moved up. And this is where you're going to be able to see what's been assigned, and you can see what's been assigned by someone else. We'll scroll up to the top. You have a few different ways you can look at information. First thing is you can look at my tasks today, not in my list. You can also look at what is waiting on me, things I've assigned to other people. In addition to that, you have some sorting preferences for your daily reports. You can go under a filter. You can look at this list only, due today, due soon, overdue. So we'll go ahead and click overdue. And these are all the tasks under the Gwen project that are currently past due. In addition, I can say I want to look at who they're assigned to. So if I only want to look at Conrado and I want to see filter overdue tasks assigned to this person, and I want to look by priority, that's your filter. So now it has highest task, what's not been completed, when it was due, and who the owner is. So with the filter solution, you can go through and literally look at anything. If you want to see repeating tasks, if you want to see things that are due soon, so final setup of the technology for video assigned to Conrado, you can sort by date, last created, date completed, date imported, last modified, or just simply an A to Z search as well. So the system is very intuitive and extremely easy if you're using just the basics. Again, we'll go in, settings, preferences. You can pick when you want to get notified, how you want to get notified. If you're using a mobile app, you can click on settings, do the same thing, just like any other mobile app. And again, within the system, you have the ability to use any of the filters and filter data and information by any set or suite of information you'd like. So we'll go ahead and click on the Gwen folder as a whole, which is going to pull up all of the tasks. And if you only want to see things that are assigned to you, you can simply click on just that. So depending on how you're using the system, if you're assigning yourself tasks and you believe that those are approved tasks, you may want to touch base with Tess or whoever your project lead is for that particular project, and make sure that those are approved items. But most importantly, things that have been assigned and approved, those are the ones you really want to pay attention to, making sure that you hit those deadlines. When you have an item that is complete, it's as simple as clicking this box. It's going to put a check on it and you are done, and that will show up as a completed item, and it'll keep track of that information on the side. I hope this is helpful. If you have additional questions, go ahead and let me know. Thanks again.